As the fall semester continues to race towards its final stretch, here we are in November, a season to pause, appreciate, and give thanks. I wanted to take this moment to share my own sincere gratitude for two groups of people whose hard work and dedication make every day at Harvey Mudd possible: our dining services and our facilities and maintenance teams. They're the ones who keep this campus running, making sure that everyone in our community feels nourished, cared for, and connected. While their work may not always be in the spotlight, its impact is felt deeply in everything we do. Our dedicated dining services team members are often the first ones here in the morning, sometimes before the sun is up, and they're often some of the last to head home at night. Every day, they prepare more than 1,600 meals, not only for our community, but also for our many friends from our sister Claremont colleges. And while their food is amazing, what our colleagues in dining services really serve goes far beyond good food. They bring their talents, their creativity, and their warmth. They inspire us all and help foster a deep sense of community in every dish. The outstanding talents of our dining services team nourishes our bodies, our minds, our spirit. Their excellence hasn't gone unnoticed. They were recently celebrated when Harvey Mudd was ranked number 7 in the nation for Best Campus Food by the Princeton Review. That's a wonderful recognition of the talent and care they have for each of us. Our other team of unsung heroes on campus are the amazing people who serve in facilities and maintenance. While most of us are still asleep, many on our F&M team are already repairing, cleaning, planting, preparing, making sure our campus spaces are ready for learning, collaboration, and discovery. F&M's grounds, custodial, and maintenance teams work around the clock to ensure that every classroom, every residence hall, and all of our many green spaces are safe, clean, and ready for us to enjoy. They're the quiet force that works behind the scenes to make sure our campus feels like a home away from home. And I especially want to thank our third shift team who work through the night from 11 p.m. to 7:30 a.m., keeping things running smoothly while many of us recharge. So I hope that the students, faculty, and all the rest of the staff will join me in thanking our incredible colleagues in dining services and facilities and maintenance. You are the heartbeat of Harvey Mudd College. Your work and dedication help to make it possible for us to teach, to learn, to grow, and to dream big. We couldn't do what we do without you. So this November and every month, we thank you for your hard work, your creativity, your dedication, and for the care and kindness you show this community every single day. You are truly the unsung heroes of Harvey Mudd, and we're so grateful for you.